Welcome back to the Coding Interview series. Today, we are tackling a classic data structure problem, implementing a queue using only stacks. This is a very popular question asked by companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon to test your understanding of data structure mechanics. Before we solve the problem, let's quickly recap what a queue is. A queue follows the first in, first out principle, or FIFO. Imagine a line of people waiting for a bus. The first person to join the line is the first one to get on the bus. We add items to the rear and remove them from the front. In contrast, a stack follows the last in, first out principle, or LIFO. Think of a stack of plates. You place a new plate on top, and you can only remove the plate that is on the top. The last plate you added is the first one you take off. So, here is our challenge. We have a queue, which needs to process elements in first out order. But we are only allowed to use stacks, which force us into a last in first out order. How do we use the restrictive LIFO mechanics of a stack to simulate the behavior of a queue? The clever solution involves using two separate stacks. We will call them Stack 1 and Stack 2. Stack 1 will be responsible for accepting new elements, acting as our input. Stack 2 will be responsible for removing elements, acting as our output. By moving elements between these two stacks, we can reverse their order. Let's look at the push operation, or enqueuing. This is very simple. Whenever we receive a new element, we simply push it onto Stack 1. We don't need to do anything else. This makes the write operation extremely fast, taking constant time. The magic happens during the pop or dequeue operation. When we need to remove an element, we look at Stack 2. If Stack 2 has items, we just pop from it. But if Stack 2 is empty, we must transfer all elements from Stack 1 into Stack 2, one by one. This transfer reverses the order of elements, placing the oldest element at the top of Stack 2, ready to be popped. Let's visualize that transfer. Imagine Stack 1 has elements A, B, and C, with C on top. If we pop them one by one and push them into Stack 2 will end up with on top, followed by B and C. Now, A is at the top of Stack 2, and since A was the first element entered, popping it satisfies the first in first out requirement. Finally, let's analyze the efficiency. The push operation is big O of 1 because we just add to a stack. The pop operation is amortized big O of 1. Although moving elements takes time, each element is moved from Stack 1 to Stack 2 exactly once in its lifetime. The space complexity is big O of n, as we simply store the elements across the two stacks.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.